Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Kraken website. Look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will now see a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Select your country of residency from the drop-down menu. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Go to your email inbox and find the email from Kraken. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Kraken website. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up 2FA for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable two-factor authentication. Next, complete your profile by providing the required personal information, including your name and address. Submit the information to proceed to the verification step. Kraken may require you to verify your identity for security purposes. Be prepared to provide a government-issued ID and proof of residency. Upload the necessary documents as prompted. Once your documents are submitted, Kraken will review them. This verification process may take some time, so be patient. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, log back into your Kraken account. You can now deposit funds and start trading. Explore the various features available on the platform to get familiar. Congratulations, you are now registered with Kraken and ready to trade. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.